CompXM Round 1 to Round 4, How to Win Top Results 999, CompXM Final Exam Answers, CompXM 2025 CompXM 2026 Strategic Decision Making in CompXM Round 1, an MBA-level practical guide to achieving high scores, 2025 edition. Introduction. The CompXM simulation, a capstone component of many MBA programs, is designed to assess strategic business decision-making under competitive and dynamic market conditions. The first round is particularly critical, as it sets the trajectory for cumulative success. This guide provides a structured, analytical, and practical approach to Round 1 decisions, using the 2025 gameplay scenario as a case study. Each functional area, R&D, marketing, production, HR, TQM, and finance, is examined with actionable insights, supported by simulated data and rational decision logic to maximize performance and profitability. Research and development, R&D balancing design and competitive positioning overview. The R&D function determines the design specifications, performance, size, and reliability, MTBF, of each product. These specifications must align with customer expectations in 4 distinct market segments: thrift, core, nano, and elite. Additionally, the introduction of new products can strategically expand market coverage. Product-level decisions: ART, elite segment, O initial specs, perf. 14.0, size 8.20 proposed, perf. 14.5, size 7.0, MTBF 26,000 rationale. Enhances appeal to elite customers prioritizing high performance and compact design. Positioning is adjusted closer to the ideal spot to improve demand. AXE, nano segment, O initial specs, perf. 11.9, size 6.20 proposed, perf. 12.5, size 5.0, MTBF 24,000 rationale. Nano customers value miniaturization and modernity. This decision ensures competitiveness in a fast-moving tech segment. ACE, core segment, O initial specs, perf. 9.2, size 10.80 proposed, perf. 10.0, size 10.20 rationale, maintains broad appeal with modest improvements. Pricing is critical here, so incremental enhancements avoid overdesign and cost inflation. ANT, thrift segment, O initial specs, perf. 6.5, size 13.50 proposed, perf. 7.2, size 12.8, MTBF 20,000 rationale. Cost-conscious customers prioritize value and reliability. The update modernizes the product while preserving its affordability. New product launch, ALA, Nano Elite Intersection, O proposed specs, perf. 14.0, size 6.0, MTBF 25,000 rationale. ALA targets a niche between nano and elite, bridging high-end features with compactness. A new product expands market presence and boosts potential sales. Marketing strategy, price-driven penetration with investment in visibility. Pricing, promotion, and sales budgets. Marketing decisions directly affect product demand through 3 levers: price competitiveness, customer awareness, promotion, and accessibility, sales. Product-level analysis. ART O current price, $42 revised, $40 O promotion/sales, $2,000/$2,000 O competitor, Digby at $39 O rationale. Price reduction narrows the gap while increased budgets boost visibility and access. Forecasted sales, 805 units. ANTO current price, $26 revised, $19 O promotion/sales, $2,000/$2,000 O competitor. Baldwin dominates with low prices and large budgets. O rationale. Major price cut aligns with competitor strategy. Estimated sales, 933 units. ACE O current price, $32 revised, $28 O promotion/sales, $2,000/$2,000 O competitor. Chester at $22 O rationale, balances price with high awareness and accessibility to differentiate on customer service and brand perception. Forecasted sales, 1,351 units. AXEO maintained price, $40 O promotion/sales, $2,000/$2,000 O competitor, Digby at $37 O rationale, holds premium pricing while increasing brand awareness and accessibility to support premium positioning. Forecasted sales, 744 units. Production planning, capacity management and automation optimization goals align production output with projected sales and inventory levels. Adjust capacity where second shift usage exceeds 50%. Incrementally increase automation to reduce long-term labor costs. Product-level decisions are O current capacity, 714 units O planned production, 750 units O inventory carryover, 216 units O automation, increase from 4 to 5 O rationale, existing inventory supports sales, slight automation rise to cut costs. ANTO capacity, 1130 units O inventory, 758 units O production plan, 1130 units O automation, increase from 6 to 7 O rationale, high inventory mitigates production pressure, automation ensures long-term efficiency. ACEO capacity, 1,200 units O production plan, 1,500 units, 25% second shift, O automation, increase from 5 to 7 O rationale, prepares for scale while managing cost through automation. No immediate capacity expansion needed until second shift hits 50%. AXEO capacity, 728 units O production plan, 700 units O automation, increase from 4 to 5 O rationale, efficient utilization of existing resources. ALAO production, 0, to be launched next round, O capacity to order, 300 units O automation, set at 4.0 O rationale, strategic investment ahead of launch, based on R&D readiness. Human resources, HR enhancing productivity through training and recruitment budget, $5,000 training hours, 80 hours per worker rationale, a well-trained and carefully selected workforce improves labor efficiency, raises productivity index, and reduces cost per unit over time. Key insight, investment in HR early in the simulation yields compounding returns in future rounds through productivity improvements and cost reductions. Total quality management, TQM building operational excellence. Initial TQM investment, $1,000 per initiative. A note, diminishing returns occur beyond $3,000 per strategy. Rationale, conservative investment in TQM at the early stage supports quality, reduces material/labor cost, and improves customer satisfaction gradually. Future recommendation, gradually scale up TQM in rounds 2 to 4 to optimize cumulative benefits. TQM should align with the company's long-term differentiation or cost leadership strategy. Financial strategy, funding growth sustainably. Initial plan and pitfalls. Initial approach, no external funding assumed due to retained earnings. Problem identified, capacity upgrades and automation required. Capital corrective action, recommend issuing long-term bonds to finance fixed investment. Updated pricing to improve margins following a projected net loss in the income statement. Revised pricing decisions were made to avoid excessive deficits. Revised prices, OAXE, $40 O ACE, $29 O ANT, $20 O ART, $41 Key insight, when production volume is limited and costs are high, due to R&D, HR, and automation, raising prices helps offset expenses and preserve margins, even if sales volume slightly declines. Additional recommendations, issue bonds to match capital expenditures. Delay dividend payments in early rounds to preserve liquidity. Monitor financial ratios closely, leverage, ROA, and cash flow. Conclusion, mastering round 1 for long-term victory. The first round of CompXM is about laying a solid foundation, minimizing critical errors, and positioning the firm for sustainable growth. Key takeaways for MBA students include, strategic fit, align product design with market demands. Competitive pricing, benchmark against rivals and adjust based on value and cost. Operational alignment, synchronize marketing, production, and finance decisions. HR and TQM as levers, use these areas to drive down long-term unit cost. Financial discipline, invest strategically, borrow wisely, and protect cash flow. This guide demonstrates how a systematic, cross-functional approach enables a company to outperform peers in simulations like CompXM. By understanding the rationale behind each decision and their interdependencies, MBA learners can build strong analytical skills applicable in real-world strategic management. Fastest support TO get top results 999, email, behelp2002@gmail.com, blog, https://capsimeguide2021.blogspot.com, free Excel file for all 4 rounds, download from blog or send the email, online quick support Q&A equals WhatsApp equals https://bit.ly/3silp9u. Whole game support equals $40 for 4 rounds plus 5 quizzes support equals top results.